Hello, dear students. As you are preparing for the ordinary level examinations, welcome to lesson 2A of the GCE Math Panel online preps. I am Dr. Miles, your host, and we go directly into the lesson. The first part of this lesson is about rounding off, and it consists of place value and value. We will start with the concepts of place value and value, and let us consider the number below. The place value is all about the position of the digits in the number. For example, in primary school, we talked about hundreds, tens, and units. Those are the various positions occupied by the digits in a number. There are the same concepts we are going to be applying here. So in this number, beginning after the decimal point or marker, the first number after the decimal point or marker occupies a position called tenth. This tenth is spelled with th at the end. The th means on 10. So the 3 there is 3 over 10. The next position is 5. That 5 is 5 over 100, also called 5 hundredths with th at the end. Then 8 is 8 over 1000. From the decimal point, that is the third digit, so it's over 1000 since 1000 has 3 zeros. And the 1 there is 1 over 10,000. We can now move to the right hand side, to the left hand side rather, of the decimal point or the marker. And the digits or position immediately before the decimal point or marker is a unit or whole number. Then 7 occupies the position of tens without the th, tens. 0 occupies the position of hundreds, 6 the position of thousands, and 9 the position of 10,000s. Let's get the value of each digit in this number as an example. We begin after the decimal marker. The value is the exact quantity it represents. Place value is about position. Value is the exact quantity it represents. So the 3 here represents 0.3 or 3 over 10 or 3 tenths. 5 represents, or the value of 5 is 0.05 or the same as 5 on 100 or 5 hundredths. 8 is 0.008 or 8 on 1000 or 8 thousandths, and 1 is 1 on 10,000 or 0.0001. Before the decimal point, 2 occupies the position of 2 units or just 2. 7 is 70 or 7 tenths. 0 is 0 or 0 hundred. 6 has the value of 6,000. And 9 has a value of 90 thousandths. Rounding up or rounding down consists or comprises of what you call rounding off. So rounding off is made up of either rounding up or rounding down. And we round up if the digit is 5 or more. We round up, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. And we round down if it is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. You must first move to the position, this is a remark, you must first move to the position of that place value before you round up or down. For example, round off 96,072 to the nearest 10. So the first thing I'll do is to identify the position of the 10, like tens and units. The position of 10 is occupied by 7. Now I ask myself this question, is the 2 after it's going to affect it? The answer is no, because when it is less than 5, we round down. So it seems will not affect it. The digit after the 7 will not affect it, so the 7 remains the same, and we replace the digit after 7 by 0, as you can see. Then round this number to the nearest 100. We move to the position of 100, which is occupied by 0. And we ask ourselves, the number after 0, it is 7, so it's going to affect this position. So we round this up to 1, and the 0 becomes 1. Now the digit after the 1, we replace them by zeros. Example 3. To round this number to the nearest 1000, the position of 1000 here is at 6. The 4 after it will not affect it, so we just replace everything after the 6 by zeros. That's the nearest 1000. Example 4. Round off this number to the nearest whole number or the nearest unit. This position of the whole number here is 2. After the decimal points, we have a value of 3, so we round down, it's not going to affect it. So the nearest whole number, the decimal points and everything after it should not be included. So this number will just become by just wiping everything after from the decimal points. Example 5. Round off this number to the nearest tenth. Tenth means the first decimal, the position after the decimal marker, immediate position. So this is going to give us, the position here is 3, and the 5 after it will affect it, so this 3 now becomes 4. Next, we have to round up this number to the nearest 100. Position of 100 is 5. 8 will affect it, so it becomes 6. And since they say the nearest 100, anything after the 100 is wiped because we are after the decimal point now. So everything after the 6, we wipe them off. Unlike before, the decimal points are replaced by zeros. After the decimal points, we wipe them off. So thank you so much for watching, and our next lesson is on significant figures. Don't forget to subscribe as we have so much that is still to be presented. Thank you, welcome, and bye-bye. I am your host, Dr. Miles.